What's going on, local Houston business owners, my friends and family? This is George Anthony Johnson, aka Disciple Tony, and you have just landed on the official website for Set Hearts to Purpose as well as War Media. And we're just excited for you guys being here. War Media is a for-profit division of Set Hearts to Purpose Inc., which is our faith-based nonprofit dedicated to the mentorship of at-risk youth through faith, through arts, and through entrepreneurship. We do that in a myriad of ways. Mainly, we accomplish our mission through workshops, concerts, plays, comedy shows, things of that nature. And so we're definitely excited about you guys being here, and we want you to take advantage of our business-to-business products and consider partnering with us. Most of our products are designed to create maximum exposure for your business, as well as draw in new contacts, new leads, and it's also a great opportunity to be a part of some cause-related marketing. So we do have the Warrior Concert and Community Magazine, which is our publication that will be distributed digitally as well as physically at all of our concerts, our events, our networking events, our workshops, and we want to highlight your business. And blow your business up as a superstar in the community, somebody that cares about the environment, cares about this local Houston area, cares about at-risk youth. We want to make sure we highlight your business in our community publication, as well as we're offering digital marketing. So if you guys are already running ads, that's great. We got a great team behind us that can maybe enhance your ads, maybe even give you a better price than what you're paying right now for as a retainer is concerned. And so we got a lot of great things going on, as well as our WAR mobile apps. We can build your business, your brand, a customized mobile app, so you can retain clients as well as communicate with clients and plant your flag on their mobile phone. And so also we got the business and credit funding. We have a great partnership with a corporate partner that can get us corporate funding with great interest rates for 18 months. And just a great product. You want to check out that information. And last but not least, our music and concert sponsors. We are also musicians and artists. I have a great team behind me, and so for the artwork and for the t-shirts and album covers and different concert giveaways, we want to stamp your brand and your logo on this information so that people can leave home not only inspired by what we do, but also see who has had hand in supporting. So guys, take your time. If you want to know about some of these products, just click the button next to them. It's going to take you to its own individual page, which will also have a button to come back to the website, but it'll explain what's going on, the pricing and all of that. So take advantage of that, guys. We're looking forward to partnering with you. You will be getting a follow-up from one of my teammates or even myself. And we just thank you for even considering doing business with us. We want to say God bless you. And like I said, we want to thank you for your partnership or your future partnership if you decide to take advantage of any one of these great products. God bless you, and we'll see you on the other side. God bless.